Welcome to Little Kids Learners. Today we learn about sentences. Let's start. A boy has got a toy. A boy has got a toy. A jet is red. A jet is red. A cat is a pet. A cat is a pet. He sat on a bin. He sat on a bin. He is sad. He is sad. He has a dog. He has a dog. He has a car. He has a car. He has an apple. He has an apple. He has an orange. He has an orange. A pen is on the box. A pen is on the box. A cat is on a tin. A cat is on a tin. I got a hot bun. I got a hot bun. I have a pet. I have a pet. The dog is on the mat. The dog is on the mat. He has an egg. He has an egg. A cat is on the rug. A cat is on the rug. I had a big bin. I had a big bin. I got 10 bags. I got 10 bags. I had a bun. I had a bun. I won a cup. I won a cup. An ant is on the rug. An ant is on the rug. I sat in a bus. I sat in a bus. Max is my pet. Max is my pet. My cat is fat. My cat is fat. He has to sit. He has to sit. A man has a van. A man has a van. He has a pup. He has a pup. He has a fat hen. He has a fat hen. A boy has 10 pigs. A boy has 10 pigs. A boy has a bird. A boy has a bird. He has a tub. He has a tub. A man has 6 pens. A man has 6 pens. The pan is hot. The pan is hot. The van is red. The van is red. It is hot in the den. It is hot in the den. My mum got me a pup. My mum got me a pup. The boy had a fishing rod. The boy had a fishing rod. He has got my toy. He has got my toy. I got a hot mug. I got a hot mug. He ran to the pub. He ran to the pub. The fan is on. The fan is on. It is a red bag. It is a red bag. He is my dad. He is my dad. My hat is on the bed. My hat is on the bed. It is a spider. It is a spider. The fox is in the den. The fox is in the den. It is a big bag. It is a big bag. He got us a cup of tea. He got us a cup of tea. We go to bed early. We go to bed early. I have no pens. I have no pens. We had lunch at home. We had lunch at home. You go to see her. You go to see her. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. We got a new toy. We got a new toy. He was at the mall. He was at the mall. I am riding a horse. I am riding a horse. She has a big ball. She has a big ball. You will go to the shop. You will go to the shop. A kit was flying in the sky. A kit was flying in the sky. He was ill. He was ill. She will go home. She will go home. The sun is up. The sun is up. You wake up. You wake up. I go up and down. I go up and down. They go up in a lift. They go up in a lift. I will get a dress. I will get a dress. I am a man. I am a man. We are going to school. We are going to school. You are strong. You are strong. I am on the bed. I am on the bed. We sat on the mat. We sat on the mat. You are my friend. You are my friend. It was raining. It was raining. We go by bus. We go by bus. I go to the park. I go to the park. Can you see the boat? Can you see the boat? She got up at 6. She got up at 6. I can see the birds. I can see the birds. My mom is at the office. My mom is at the office. She gave us some food. She gave us some food. Thank you for watching. Oi kiddos, don't forget to subscribe channel and see my other videos.